The Mecklenburg County Sheriff's Office continues to grapple with a staffing shortage and also needed upgrades for its jail.
Yeah, and with a new budget cycle starting July 1st, Sheriff Garry McFadden says he's putting millions toward recruitment and retention efforts, plus upgrading programs offered to inmates. WCNC Charlotte's Julia Kaufman has that story.
Latest data from the Mecklenburg County Sheriff's Office shows it's short 111 detention officers and deputies. The ongoing staffing shortage led to the jail reducing its population last year. This came after inspectors found officers weren't adequately supervising inmates.
We get outpaced for is money. You know, you could work someplace else to make more money. You could work from home. So then we are battling with recruitment.
Sheriff Garry McFadden hopes to recruit more officers with a $3,000 sign-on bonus. Starting salary is roughly $53,000, and all county employees are getting a 3% raise in July.
Huntersville, Pineville, Matthews, Mint Hill, we're competing with all of them.
To retain staff, the Sheriff's Office is putting millions toward retention bonuses and shift differential pay. Having enough detention officers is imperative for safety. McFadden says they're juggling this while also trying to focus on medical needs and mental health.
There just simply isn't enough qualified staff there to address the many needs that Sheriff McFadden is speaking of.
In the past 2 years, 8 people have died inside the county jail.
I think the misconception is that they die because of poor conditions at the detention center. That's not true. Most of the people pass because of poor health condition.
To help prevent deaths, Kenny Robinson, who spearheads reentry programs, says it takes partnerships both in and outside the building.
We have found that we are just able to prevent more deaths by working together and increase the likelihood for safety, not only inside of the detention center, but also when those citizens return back to the outside.
McFadden says he's focusing on mental health by bolstering the jail's behavioral health programs.
We want the session to be longer so to give you time to be comfortable and open up.
He says the agency will conduct a security evaluation to see what upgrades are needed inside. Julia Kaufman, WCNC Charlotte.